Langchaincommunity vectorstores vectara MMRConfig. Definition. Vectara MMRConfig is a configuration object used for controlling the maximum marginal relevance MMR scoring algorithm employed in Vectara's vector search system. This configuration object dictates how Vectara selects the most relevant and diverse documents from a vector database in response to a given query. Components. Component 1. Similarity threshold controls the minimum similarity score between a candidate document and pay query for that document to be considered relevant. For instance, if the similarity threshold is set to 0.7, then only documents with a similarity score of at least 0.7 with the query will be considered relevant. Component 2. Diversity threshold governs the minimum diversity score between a candidate document and already selected documents for that document to be considered diverse. A higher diversity threshold leads to the selection of more diverse documents, while a lower threshold favors documents that are more similar to the previously selected documents. Component 3. Max candidates represents the maximum number of candidate documents to evaluate during pay selection process. Setting a higher value for max candidates allows the MMR algorithm to consider a larger pool of potential documents, potentially leading to more accurate and diverse results. However, it may also increase the processing time. Component 4. Max results specifies the maximum number of documents to return as the final result. This parameter directly controls the number of documents displayed to the user after the search is completed. Architecture. Vectara's MMR algorithm operates by iteratively selecting documents based on their relevance to the query and their diversity relative to previously selected documents. Documents that are both highly relevant and diverse are given preference. Role. Vectara MMRConfig plays a pivotal role in optimizing the search experience by enabling the retrieval of both relevant and diverse documents. This configuration allows users to fine-tune the selection criteria based on their specific search requirements. Advantages. Advantage 1. Enhanced search results by balancing relevance and diversity by considering both relevance and diversity. The MMR algorithm ensures that users receive a balanced set of search results. This means they get the most relevant documents while also being exposed to a variety of perspectives and information. Advantage 2. Tailored search experience through customizable configuration options. The MMRConfig provides users with the flexibility to adjust the search parameters according to their specific needs. This allows for a more tailored and refined search experience, leading to better satisfaction and relevance. Challenges. Challenge 1. Setting appropriate thresholds for similarity and diversity can be challenging. Determining the optimal thresholds for similarity and diversity requires careful consideration of the specific dataset and search objectives. Adjusting these thresholds can significantly impact the performance of the search system. Challenge 2. Determining the optimal number of candidates and results can be nuanced. The choice of max candidates and max results depends on factors such as the size of the dataset, the expected query volume, and the desired level of detail in the search results. It's important to find a balance between completeness and efficiency.